Welcome back. Now, one way to broadcast live into your school account is to use Zoom and use Zoom in order to connect to YouTube so that you can use your embedded link. Now, from within your Zoom account, once you have set up a specific webinar or meeting, you're going to go to this area that says Configure Custom Streaming Service. What this requires is that you have a stream URL, a stream key, and then a live streaming page URL. When you are setting up a live stream inside of YouTube, all of that information is going to be available to you. So for example, the stream URL will come from this area. The stream key will come from this area, which you can copy into your Zoom account. Now this live streaming page URL is where you're going to want to put the YouTube link for your live stream. Now one of the things that you'll want to be careful of is that this live stream URL will become available while you're doing the live stream. So you want to make sure that you are muting that live stream when you actually start your live event. An alternative to using Zoom is to use your own platform, such as OBS Studio, and use it with a service like Restream. Restream will then create a live event inside of your YouTube account and schedule it when you need to go live. Once your live event is scheduled, you're going to get the individual link here in this area. You're going to click on Get a Shareable Link. You'll then put that shareable link here inside of YouTube. The link is going to change, and this is going to be the link that you're going to place inside of your school account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.